Your Enough Excuses Starter Kit. If you're tired of listening to your own excuses, this video is for you. Wanting to start an online business or finally follow through on a goal often gets derailed by overthinking, waiting, or telling yourself you'll get to it later. In this video, we talk about why excuses usually aren't about laziness. They're about unclear plans and trying to do too much at once. When starting feels overwhelming, your brain looks for reasons to delay. That's why moving from thinking to doing requires structure, not more motivation. This message is especially helpful for online business beginners who feel ready to stop talking about what they want to do and start taking real steps. You'll hear why simplifying the process makes action easier and how small, clear moves build confidence fast. You don't need another pep talk. You need a starting point that removes friction and makes progress feel possible right now. The start now, not later. Digital Kit is a practical digital product designed to help you move from excuses to execution. It gives you step-by-step guidance to start a project, launch an offer, or build a habit without overcomplicating the process. It's also a powerful option if you're using resale rights digital kits to build your business without starting from scratch.